Seniors, is your phone confusing? Tech Masters are here. We make tech super simple.
Hey seniors, don't worry, we're here to help. Class is in session. Hey seniors, welcome and good morning to tech class. Grandpa, this isn't a crying face. It's the laughing till you cry emoji.
And if we send you a skull, buddy?
And if we send you a skull, Grandpa, it means something is really funny. We call it dead.
And if we send you an email, Grandpa, you'll open your email box.
See? You're a tech expert already. Have we learned something today?
Subscribe to Smarty Kid TV for more senior tips. Bye-bye.